The today Indo newspaper analysis will see the few important articles on today news. First article is terrain facilitates will affect delimitation in Jammu and Kashmir, says ECI. What is the news? And we'll see detail about what is delimitation. Here the news is the Jammu and Kashmir Delimitation Commission will based on final report on the 2011 census and will also take into account on the topography, difficult terrain means of the communication and conveyance available while delimiting 7 additional seats for 83 members Assembly of the Union Territory. Besides granting the reservation to the scheduled tribes and scheduled castes, we see that delimitation is not a mathematical exercise. It must reflect the political aspiration of social bounds in the particular geography through the population formed based on the delimitation. Here we see that what is a delimitation, why this is issue happening in Jammu and Kashmir. Delimitation meaning is the delimitation is a process of fixing limits or boundaries of the territorial consistency in the country to represent changes in the population. As a result, the delimitation process, the number of seats allocated to the different states in the Lok Sabha and total number of seats in Legislative Assembly of the state can also be altered. The redrawing boundaries based on the recent census, the body that does not delimitation exercise is called Delimitation Commission. Why this delimitation of the consistency is done means that to have equal representation for equal segment of the population. Why this one delimitation consistency done means to have the equal representation for equal segment of population. Based on the population, they are distributing the equal segment to have fair division for the geographical area so that no political party has an undue the advantage over the others. The other to the principle is one vote, one value here. And next is how delimitation will be done means the every census the parliament will enact a delimitation act as per the article 82. Have to remember as per the article 82. As per the article 170, the state also get classified into territorial consistency after every census according to the act. Once the act is enacted, the central government sets the delimitation commission, the commission that exercises the delimitation. To see that what is delimitation commission means, it appointed by the country president. It works with the election commission of India. The delimitation commission is appointed by the president of India and its work with the election commission of India. Delimitation Commission members are the retired judge of Supreme Court, the chief election commissioner and state election commissioner of the respective state. What are the functions of delimitation process means? Here we see the delimitation commission functions means delimitation commission is an high power body whose order have the force of law. Its order cannot be questioned in court of law. You have to remember the delimitation commissioner order cannot be questioned in the court of law. The copy of the order are laid before the Lok Sabha and Legislative Assembly concerned, but no change is permitted in them. Next is delimitation commission has determined the number of boundaries of consistency in such a manner that population of all seats in the same as far the possible practically. The commission also identifies the seats of reserved the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Its member of commission have the differ opinions to the decision of majority to take into the consideration. And next, this commission released a draft proposal to the public through Gazette of the India and the official Gazette state. These are the function of election commission. These are the function of delimitation commission. This is about article in the Jammu and Kashmir. The based on 2011 census, the delimitation process is going in the election. And this is about article. We saw delimitation, what is delimitation and detail about the delimitation commission. Next article is privacy policy will be hold till law is framed. WhatsApp. Here, what happening in the news means privacy policy will be hold till law in the framed. WhatsApp. About WhatsApp and Facebook, we know news already with many days back. Again, here going about relating to the privacy and policy, the data protection bill, and what is detail about this privacy and policy will say. Before going to the privacy policy bill, we'll see the what is news. WhatsApp privacy policy. Senior advocate the Harish Salve told the court that if Parliament does not permit such a policy in future, the WhatsApp would either lose jobs in India or would not implement it. The messaging platform WhatsApp told the Delhi High Court Friday that it will be not to be limiting the functionality of its messaging apps in case user does not consult to its latest privacy policy, and that it will maintain this approach at least till the data protection bill come into effect. It said it will not compel user in the India to accept the policy. We can see in this article the WhatsApp clarified before the bench of Chief Justice D.N. Patel and Justice Jyoti Singh that it would not limit the functionality of the app for users who are not opting for the new privacy policy in the meantime. Here, what is the background of this WhatsApp policy means that according to the WhatsApp update privacy policy, user would no longer be able to stop the app for sharing data with its parent Facebook useless. They are deleted their accounts altogether. Its privacy updated designed to make the business interaction that take place on its platform easier, while also personalizing ads and Facebook. That will how it will be how to make the money. According to the government, here what happened is that messaging app discriminates against Indian users who is a user in the Europe on the matter of choice up to out of the new privacy policy. WhatsApp users in Europe can new privacy policy owing to the law in the European Union called the General Data Protection Regulation. Here we'll see the what is about data protection. Data protection is a process of safeguarding important information for corruption, compromises or losses. The data is a large collection of information that is stored in the computer or network. Here we can see what happening here means in this digital age the data is a valuable source that should not be left unregulated. It's in the context the time is for India is have the robust data protection of regimes. In the required charge in the made a personal data protection bill in 2019, it need to the formulate ensure that it focus the user rights with an emphasis on user privacy. We can see here the Personal Data Protection Bill seeks to regulate the user of individual data by the government and private companies. The Joint Committees of Parliament examined the bill has been given extension till the monsoon session of Parliament to submit the report. Privacy policy hold on the till law in the frame of WhatsApp. Next article is Cabinet OK's real-time source study to combat air pollution. Here we can see the Delhi Cabinet on Friday approved the real-time source appointment study with the aim to curb the air pollution in the city. The project aim is to identify source of pollution on the real-time basis to initiate the mitigation measure on the near real-time basis. We already know the nearby Delhi and Punjab, Haryana, these are the very pollutant areas. And in the case of Delhi, we saw in news there will be the oxygen also is not available for the fresh air and all. Because of action only they are paying money. Many news we saw here. What happening means the pollution of Delhi capital. It's approved real time source appointment to study the aim to curb the air pollution in the city. The Delhi Environment Minister is the project would go to the long way to identifying the various factors contribute to the Delhi pollution and mitigating them. What are the factors identifying in the real-time sources means here the approximate project will help to identify the factors responsible for the spike in the air pollution at any particular spot in Delhi. Help understand the real-time impact of the pollution sources like vehicle dust, biomass burning and stubble burning and emission of industries. Based on the result of Delhi government will take necessary action to curb the sources of pollution. Already we saw about to control the Delhi pollution, the many project the government of Delhi is implemented like odd even number vehicle. To control the Delhi pollution, the government implemented the many projects, but still the Delhi is polluting day by day. Here, the conducted by the team of IIT Kanpur and IIT Delhi, the Energy and Resource Institute. Here we can see the government that is technology to carry out real-time source operation into the pollution has not been implemented in any other city in the country. The development mobile laboratory will provide the appointment of the sources at the multiple locations and laboratory will be for the first time in the kind of the world. We can see the government plans third-party audit for the Usha Tech. Here we can can say the Delhi government has written as a consultancy fire of Union Ministry of Jal Shakti, asking it to conduct an audit of the use of the KUSA biodecomposer, which is an year the Delhi Chief Minister dispensing had held to the new the cost effective the solution to be stable, like stable burning in the last year and all. The decision come to against to the backdrop of some negative comments from the farmers in Punjab, in the positive feedback from the Haryana following the use of the technique, which is in uses microbe solution to the farming stable into the manure. Official in the Delhi Environment Report is telling here. This is about the how the measurement taken to the control Delhi pollution is a real-time source of appointment study in the aim to crack the air pollution in the Delhi city. According to this article, important things to how to they controlling for the pollution in the capital city of Delhi, and one more thing, why the pollution is happening more and what are the disadvantages and government is implementing the project to the control this pollution. This is about the article. Next article is IT rule government plan listed for the July 16. We can see this is court tag petition to one pending before bench led by the Justice Chandrachуда. Here we have to focus what is the IT rules. The Supreme Court on Friday said the center to seeking transfer of petition challenging for validity and new IT rule from the different High Court to the Apex Court would be heard on July 16th along with the pending matter related to the regulation of over-the-top platform. Here we can see that the bench of justice to the central with a pending special leave petition in the which Apex Court has been this year stayed the proceeding before several High Court petitions related to the regulation of OTT platform. We can see the article, the pending special leave petition in the Justice Rights Foundation versus Union of India. Justice, it will be case would listed to the before appropriate bench in the July 16th. The Justice of Right Foundation case pending before the Justice of Chandrachуда led bench, primarily concern of regulation content show that the over the top platform the bench has been examining issue in the backdrop of the new IT rule. You can see in this article the what happening means the Minister of Electronics and Information Technology is an affidavit filed before the court stated that dispute 3 months of granted to all significant social media intermediate to compile the rules of Twitter failed to fully comply with the same. Here we can see the Information Technology Terminatory Guidance and Digital Media Ethics Code rule in 2021. Based on this, the what happening in the IT rules, the Supreme Court on the Friday listed to the July 16 the government petition to transfer these challenge cases to against these challenge cases to the based on the information technology. This is about the news. Next article is Himalayan Act to be ensured. Here we'll see what happened the Himalayan Act and why it will be news. The National Research Center on the Act term it is a landmark move. What is the news means? The High Latitude Act feeling the climate change heat across the Himalaya belt will be now be ensured. The National Research Center on the Act at the Dirang in the Arunachal Pradesh West Kameng district has tied up with the National Insurance Company Limited, the insuring their livestock. Here we can see the countrywide population trend show that the ape population has been decreasing at an alarming rate. Further, the climate change and inexplicable changes in the weather pattern have been reported from the hake hearing area throughout the country. Here we can see that the insurance policy will be shield the hake owner against the risk posed by the weather climatic disease and transmit the mishap surgical operation to this strike of roads. More than 500 hakes died in the single spell of the heavy rainfall in the northern Sikkim in the 2019, leading to the heavy financial burden on the owners. Here the report is telling. Here we can see the 4 years old report said that number of acts across the country declined by the almost 24.7% between 2012 and 2019. This is the report. We'll see the how much population there in the India means the total hack population in India about 58,000. The Union Territory of Ladakh and the Jammu and Kashmir have some 26,000 followed by the 24,000 in the Arunachal Pradesh, 5,000 in Sikkim and 2,000 in the Himachal Pradesh and about 1,000 in West Bengal and Uttarakhand. Here we can see the landmark development in the providing financial security to the hake rearing communities of Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Ladakh and Himachal Pradesh. According to the policy, the owner would have to get their hake tagged and provide the proper discrimination order to their animal insurance. Here, the what is happening in the news we have to see means the National Research Center of Hack in the Dirong in the West Kameng district of Arunachal Pradesh has up to the National Insurance Company Limited for ensuring their livestock. Here we can see the population has been decreasing already. It said the insurance policy would say to the hack owner against to the risk posed by climate disease of the heavy rainfall and changing of the climate. Here I told already the hack population will be like decreasing and how much is the hack population in India containing. According to the policy, the owner should have get their hack to air trash and provide the proper description to order get their way. We'll see the what happened in the Himalaya Act facing threat for the climate change. Why the Himalayan Act they are facing threat. Here the Himalayan Act is in a large wide bird native to the Himalayas. It is in a lifeline of pastoral nomadies in the high latitude of the Indian Himalayan region. Hacks provide nomadies milk, fiber and meat. These purposes are hacked. They are using the milk, fiber and meat. The long ear of the hack has water resistant properties and can be good packing materials. According to the IUCN red list, hack is vulnerable category. You have to remember now the hack is in a vulnerable category. It facing the threat of gradually rising temperature in the region. Hack is accustomed to the every cold temperature and can be served up to the minus 40 degree but find difficult when its temperature cross 13 degree. It serves the life of minus 30 but when it crosses 13 degree it will be facing problem. Hack is susceptible to heat stress in the can efficiently conserve its body heat during cold weather condition but it has a minimum body mechanism disposed by this wetting. Here, what happened in Himalayan hack and why it's facing threat we saw about detail of this article. Next article is 100 section. The invalid section of 66 is an often invoked out of the ignorance but is served as a tool of the harassment. What they are talking here means the section 66A of the IT Act which was struck down as an unconstitutional 6 years ago. Why means the still being invoked by the police and some trial court. One can see why the court demanded it. Shocking states when the petition by the People Union of Civil Liberties came up to the hearing. Section 66A made message demand by the police to be menacing to the anyone or those who that caused any visit to the criminal offences. These were sent through the computer or a computer resources. The prescribed present to term of the 3 years of conviction. Here we can see there would also be instant in the court framing charges under section 66A even after the lawyer added to the 2015 judgment. Here we can see the PUCL has said that many of the 745 cases are still pending in the district court in 11 states. It is not difficult to the surmise that is police officers who receive the complaints and register them as a first information report may not be aware of judgment. So one cannot rule out instance of the section being invoked in the deliberating by the tool of harassment. Here we can see the what happening in the section 66A of IT Act. The current hearing may result in the direction to state and the police and as well as the court registration. The approximate adversaries to be both station house officers and magistrates, but it is not necessary for those concerned to wait for such order. Police chief and the directors to the prosecution must to be proactively begin to process of conveying to the lower court and the investigation all important judgment and their effective practice relating to the investigation, prosecution and the framing the charges from the time to time. This is about the what happening in the section 66A of IT Act. We'll see what is the section 66 of IT Act. If we see the section 66A of IT Act means we'll see the what is the background of this act means the section 66A dealt with the information related crimes in which sending information by the means of computer sources or the communication devices which is inter-aligned offensive derogatory to the menacing is made of punishable offences. Here we can see the Shreya Singhal versus Union of India judgment. The justice Renoton and we can see the observe that weakness of the section 66A lie to that fact of had created and offences of the basis of undefined actions such as causing inconvenience and danger and obstruction of and insults which is do not fall among the expected granted to the under article 19 of the constitution. which is guarantee of the freedom of speech. Here, the court also observed that the challenge was to identify where to draw the line. That traditionally it has been drawn to the insentiment, while the term like abstraction and insult the remained subjective. Here, Section 66A did not have the procedural safeguards like other sections of the law, and it is similar to him. The need to be obtained the consent of the center before action can be taken. Local authorities could proceed autonomously literally with which is a political minister. Here we can see the Section 66F contrary to the both Article 19 and free speech and 21 right to life of the Constitution. This is about the Section 66 IT Act. You have to be remember. Next article is pregnant women should take vaccine for safety for self and child. Here one small information given about the COVID-19 vaccination in the second wave is time. The COVID-19 second wave is not over. Here the VK poll is telling. Here the pregnant women should take the COVID vaccine as soon as possible, as we know that the virus bring along some serious complications including the preterm delivery. Here Health Minister press conference, they are talking about the establishment that COVID-19 infection during pregnancy might result in the deterioration of mother health and could also be affected to the child also. The pregnant women who develop COVID-19 are more likely to require intensive care to that their non-pregnant counterparts apart from the mother. There is risk to the child in the case she is contact of infection. Pregnant women should get vaccinated. It is very important, and now the ministry has released guidelines for this about the pregnant women can take the vaccine. Here we can see the health minister has announced that inclusion pregnant women in the ongoing vaccination drive after it's accepted to the recommendation for the National Technical Advisory Group on the communication on this subject. We can see this is one small information on the about COVID-19. The pregnant women can take the vaccine for the safety for her and the child also. The also more than half of the new cases are now going from the two states of Maharashtra and Kerala. This is a matter of concern that cannot be lower our grant. The new risk is being to be tourist spots where COVID is appropriate to beware of not being to the low. This is about the pregnant women can take without any hesitancy of the vaccine. This is about today in the newspaper. Thank you for watching. Start from basic learn until that keep learning.